These are perfectly ripe. It's been a wonderful season.
The best harvest we've had in years.
All right, bring it back. Watch that pallet. Clear on the left. Easy now.
Good afternoon. Can I interest you in some fresh juice or a basket of these lovely red apples?
Look at that juice ad. It looks really refreshing. Maybe we should get some.
Here's your Sunny Sips.
Thank you.
I'd like to deposit this cash, please.
Of course. Just a moment while I count and process that for you. Everything looks correct. Here is your receipt.